5 o'clock start ചെയ്യാം. Venu, ready alle? Yeah. Good evening to all. Welcome to the second of the CME series by KFOG Reproductive Medicine Committee. And last week we had CME on updates on male infertility, and today's the theme for CME is on PCOS, updates on PCOS. So today we are having a very good response, and we are having a very good faculty. And coming to my duty of welcoming you all, on behalf of the Reproductive Health Committee and the Organizing Committee, I would like to welcome our Chief Guest and the KFOG Secretary, Dr. M. Venugopal, to this function. And on behalf of the Reproductive Health Committee and today's CME program, I would like to welcome our the faculty, Dr. Elizabeth, Dr. Mohan Kamath, Dr. Serena Ma'am, Dr. Abby Koshi, Dr. Fesi Louis, Dr. Raju Nair. Raju is also the CME coordinator who has coordinated this event very well and has done good propaganda for the meeting as well. And all the chairpersons and the panelists for today's meeting. And we have Dr. Annie and Dr. Sibimol for the first session, Dr. Bindu and Dr. Sati for the second session. And we have the panelists, Dr. Annie, Dr. Manisha, Dr. Rani Lakshmi, Dr. Beena Kumari, Dr. Nirmal, and Dr. Abhishek. So on behalf of the organizing committee, I would like to welcome all the faculty to this function, and I wholeheartedly welcome all the delegates who are watching this program. A brief about today's this CME series. We thought about involving all these societies in Kerala through 3 different programs. One we already conducted with the Southern societies, and today's program we are organizing in association with the Kottayam Society, Malanad Society, Kochi Society, and Thrissur Society. And next week we have program on March 6th on endometriosis. So each program we have started with 2 or 3 talks along with a panel discussion, and we got 2 ICOG credit points from the ICOG for today's program, which will be mentioned in the certificates which we get after the program. Thank you once again. And with these few words, I would like to welcome and invite Dr. Venugopal, the Secretary General of KFOG, and also the Secretary of the IFS Kerala chapter, and also the convener of SIG on male infertility. So over to Dr. Venugopal. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Kunjumoideen, for that introduction. And I wish to congratulate Dr. Kunjumoideen and the Reproductive Health Committee of KFOG for this initiative. Today's talk is on updates in PCOS, and I again want to congratulate Dr. Raju and appreciate his efforts in coordinating this particular workshop. Similarly, I would like to congratulate the societies Malanad, Kottayam, Kochi, and Thrissur. Faculty from each of these have enthusiastically agreed to participate in this meeting and make it a success. So I congratulate each one of these societies, and I am very thankful, and it's very nice to see that this meeting is filled with so much faculty of eminence. So my best wishes to each one of the faculty who are taking part in this meeting, and also to all the delegates. I wish you all a happy learning and an educated and informative session. With these words, I would like to declare this CME as inaugurated.
Thank you, Dr. Venu, for making us available for today's meeting to inaugurate this CME. And see, the KFOG, the President and Secretary, has supported us in all meetings, and they have helped, guided us to organize it in a very different way. So thank you once again. So with these few words, I would like to invite Dr. Raju Nair, who is the President of Kottayam ONG Society, as well as the coordinator of today's CME, to take over for the further proceedings. Over to Dr. Raj.
Yeah. Good evening, everybody. Thank you, Dr. Kunjumoideen and Dr. Venu, for allowing